Welcome to my Tokyo apartment. So this was a highly requested video and I'm so glad that my room has finally started to come together so that I can show you guys around. There's still a few more things I'd like to add, but progress not perfection, so here we go. So when you first enter this room, there's a long hallway with lots of storage, so let's show you guys around. So here's the front door. I keep some slip-on shoes right here just in case I need to run down and do laundry or head over to a friend's room really quick. I keep my lanyard right here with my keys and ID and stuff like that. There's this random door decoration that is supposed to have like a key or something in it, but I don't really know what I'm gonna do with that. I just think it's cute and it kind of reminds me of Alice in Wonderland, so I like it. And then there's all this storage. So the first one that we open up, it's not all going to be perfectly organized, but I keep my suitcases in here, and I also keep this area kind of free in case I have a friend visit and then they can put their suitcase and bags here. I have paper towels and toilet paper, hopefully that will last me for a long time. And then the next cabinet here is just a single cabinet. So this was like a double, and then this single cabinet has like a lot of shelving. So this is really nice just to keep like products and extra shoes. Some people I've seen in this apartment complex will have like a shoe little rack here to keep all their shoes, but I just go ahead and keep them in here. I don't have too many. I keep my hats and gloves in here. Here I keep like random shavers and extra beauty products. Belts. Back there I think is extra toothpaste and mouthwash. Here I have hot tools and what's in here? Just like, oh, this is like medicine. And then here I have tons of my false mascara that I brought from home and just like extra beauty products up there. So that's in that cabinet. And then we have two more double cabinets here. So this one is for clothes. I keep like my dresses and bags in here. I keep like grocery bags and like paper bags, stuff like that in there. Up here I have all my Loungeflies. I brought 5 of them with me to Japan. I probably didn't need to bring all of them. I have a little bit of regrets with how much stuff I brought, but I keep that up there. And then this nice little bag hanger keeps like my crossbody purses and stuff like that. So I have some fun little crossbodies. Tote bag, this is my swimsuit, and then dresses and coat. The last cabinet that I have here is the majority of my clothes. So this just has all my clothes, and then like my big nice puffy jacket here, and then like, pants are in this one, extra sweatshirts in this one, like bigger shirts. This is my like nice Sherpa long sleeve shirt, and then like underwear and socks and stuff in that one. So that's all my storage, and I absolutely love it. It's nice having everything tucked away and organized over here. There's way more storage than I expected when I moved in. I don't know how normal this is for Tokyo apartments, but I love the way they've done their storage here. So this is a studio apartment. Let's go ahead and start over in the living room right here. So this couch, the rug, and the plant I got from people who were moving out of this building when I was moving in. So the couch was originally 50,000 yen, which is around $330 US, and I got it for 15,000 yen used, which is around $100 US. The rug I got for like 1,000 yen, which was like $7 US from a friend. This plant I did purchase from someone here. I don't remember how much it was, maybe like 2,000 yen, like 14 bucks or something, but it's beautiful and big and wonderful. I love having this nice real plant in here. I did order these leaves on Amazon, and I wanted it to feel very green, very inviting, because I live in a city, I'm missing that nature aspect of life a little bit out here, so it's really nice having some greenery to make me feel nice and at home. Also, I love the pink vibes. Pink couch, yes please. Next to the couch, I do have my bag for work that I keep right here, that I pack almost every single day. And then I have my little sweeper for the floor. And then I also store some camera stuff under the couch. This is my ring light under there, and just some like tripods and things like that under the couch. And then also under the bed is my little IKEA bag that I use for my laundry, or if I do like really big shopping. I also have my slippers here, which I use constantly. And especially when I first got here and I didn't have a rug, I really loved having these slippers so my feet didn't get cold on the hardwood floor. So this is my bed, and the apartment did come with a comforter, just a plain white comforter. So I just got this cheap little like cover on Amazon to make it look pretty, with a bed skirt as well. It came in one order. And then I added a few of my extra hanging vines draped over to make it look even more pretty. And at nighttime, I just like fold these up and put them here, and it makes this area look pretty, so it's nice. I also have Nana on here, and my little other stuffy that looks like my dog Finn back home. Next to the bed, I've got my hamper here. And I always keep a water and some Burt's Bees Overnight Intensive Lip Balm. I'm obsessed with this. This helps my dry lips so much. I love it. Not sponsored, I just love it. I keep my books. Right now I'm reading The Surrender Experiment by Michael H. Singer. It's so, so good. This is more like a spiritual meditation type of book. And then I'm also about to start this book called Heartless by Marissa Meyer. I really love the Lunar Chronicles by this same author, so I'm really excited to read this. And I love the Alice in Wonderland vibes, it's great. And then I also have my long phone charger ready to go there as well. And under here I have my heating pad, which is incredible. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna use it because it's getting more hot here in Japan, but in the wintertime this thing was absolutely amazing. So this is across from my bed, and I keep here my really pretty Disney Princess Castle collection book. I love this book. This is my music box that my grandma got me, and I love it so much. It's so special, and so I had to bring it with me. And I have my Peter Pan ears here, and then a bunch of my prettiest ears I hung up. And I also have a crap ton of unnecessary ears. And I should not have brought this many ears with me to Japan. I just could not help it. I can't go to the parks like as often as I thought I'd be able to, so I just have like way too many, but it's fine. Under here I have some more storage. It's not very pretty looking, so it's nice that I can put these little curtains over, but they're slightly sheer so I can still like see what's back there. I wouldn't mind if they weren't sheer, but it's just kind of nice to be able to slightly see but still make it, you know, pretty. This is empty, and I keep, sometimes I'll put my clothes for the day if they're not fully like dirty from the previous day, like if I have jeans or something and I just know I'm gonna wear them the next day, I'll set them right here, and it's kind of nice. Here I keep my books and also my tarot cards, and also this really cute friendship bracelet that my friend Marissa gave me that I really, really like. And then here I have more plants that I got from people who were moving out of this building as well. I have my little Sven plush, and I have this really sweet photo album book that Isaac got me before I left, so I keep that here. And then here's the TV. This did come with the apartment, but I don't really use it. I want to get like some sort of HDMI cord so I can hook my laptop up to it. It did come with this phone, but I can only use this for work, so I have that. I have my mirror, and I put an extra vine around it. Up top here I have like this cute little turtle and Peter Pan map that my friend Anna got me for my birthday. And all you need is sleep, because ain't that the truth? And then here's me, hello. Here I have my laptop and my router and stuff. I have trash and stuff down there, and then some extra storage in here. Honestly, it comes with so many cabinets, this apartment, which I love. I don't have anything on the top, but on the bottom I have some camera stuff. And then in here I have some receipts and my schedules and some extra cables and stuff, my journal. I have extra towels in here. And then in the bottom there's just like paperwork and stuff like that. And now we have finally arrived to the most important spot in the apartment, and that is the kitchen, of course. So, do you guys remember when I was talking about how I regret the amount of ears that I brought to Japan? Here's the amount of pins that I brought to Japan, and I have absolutely zero regrets. The fact that this pin board is here is perfect for my heart, and these were absolutely necessary and perfection to bring with me here to Japan. So here we've got the pin board with some of my favorite quotes on the wall, and then I also have some plushies here because I wanted to decorate. This one I actually got recently from the Tokyo Disney store, and you can pin it onto your shirt, which is so cute, and I love it. I use this little bullet blender almost every single day. I did bring this from home. I could have gotten a blender here though, so I don't think it's necessary to bring a blender with you, but because this is so nice and small, I did, and I use it constantly. This little mat here I got from someone who was moving out. I have this chair here, but sometimes I put it on that side, but it's just nice. Big counter for serving food if you have friends over or whatnot. Or just for eating. Sometimes I'll do my makeup on this counter, honestly. And then over here is the kitchen. It doesn't look super organized, but it is organized in my mind, which is really all that matters. So I have this big thing of soap and dish soap, and these are my scrubbies, paper towels. This is my drying rack area. I used to have a drying rack that would go on here, but it got really annoying because I'd want to use the sink, and then I had dishes drying and I couldn't. So I got this nice drying thing from IKEA, and it's been so much better. My iron pan that I got from home, Isaac got this for me. This is my crepe pan, and it's so nice. I feel like the pans that the apartment came with are not the best. I have some good wooden cutting boards. Here I keep all my oils and like a hot pad for when I have a hot dish. I absolutely love this little feature of the kitchen. I don't know if this is like a usual thing for Japan, but it's just so nice. I love keeping all my spices here. It's so nice and convenient. Down here is just some like strainers and pots, things that the apartment came with. Silverware in here. More like supplies here, and I keep some coconut milk in here that I use to make curries, tomatoes as well, canned tomatoes. I keep cashews mostly in here, and then just kind of a mess in here, but pots and pans and chips apparently, so love that. And then here's the trash. This is something specific to Japan. You keep your combustible separate from your non-combustible. So over here, most of your stuff is going to be combustible, but you keep that separate. And then there's more trash cans down the hall where you put like your glass bottles and different things like that. So that is the kitchen. Also, I got these rugs. They don't necessarily go together. Like I probably should have gotten 2 big pink rugs, but I just thought this rug was so cute. So I do love it, and it matches like the pink aesthetic over here. Over here is the microwave / oven and fridge. So this is supposed to be like a toaster, an oven, and a microwave all in one. Once I get used to it, I'm sure I'll love it, but I'm still kind of getting the hang of it. Here I have a bunch of fruit and stuff. I probably should get like a prettier way of displaying this, but I don't have that. So this was supposed to be like for my tissue box, but my tissue box doesn't fit in it. So now I just keep bananas in here. I just have like different fruits and veggies. I eat a lot of avocados, so I have a lot of those. Here's my fridge that's pretty unorganized, but I'm gonna make a little curry tonight, I think, with some mushroom and chickpeas. So I'm gonna do that, and then this is the freezer. I mostly keep like baguettes in here and bread. I love to freeze my bread because I go to Costco like maybe once every 3 weeks, so I get a ton of bread when I go, and baguettes I eat constantly for my toasted sandwiches, but they go bad faster, so I have that. I have some frozen fruit and all that good stuff. I also have some cute little decorations here. This I got from Sensoji Temple. It's really beautiful, and then I also got this little Elsa and Anna sticker from a friend, so love that. Now for the bathroom. So here's the kitchen and here's the bathroom right here. There's the front door. The bathroom is like a little step up, and it's meant to be a wet room, so the whole entire room is drainable down there, if you can see. And this is like a little overview of it. I feel like the bathroom is something I still need to kind of finish up. Like I'd like to get a little bath safe rug here and stuff like that. Maybe some more shelving, but something I want to mention is this little control panel here. I usually keep it on 39. Some people put it on 40, 41. This is how hot your shower is gonna be. So if you put it up to like 60, that's gonna be really hot. That's what I was doing in the beginning because it was so cold. But I keep it here so that it doesn't go hotter than this. And then you come in here, and here's a little towel rack that the apartment came with. Here is the bath, the toilet. It doesn't have a bidet on it, which I wish it did because I love bidets. But a lot of Japanese apartments might have a bidet on it. This is magnetic, so I got some of these magnetic holders here. This shelf is magnetic. My toothbrush holder is magnetic. So that's something I really do like about the bathroom here, is all the wall is magnetic. Inside here, like my shaver has a magnetic holder, so that's something that's really nice. But I just keep, you know, toothpaste, extra toilet paper, deodorant, brush, toothbrush. Nothing too exciting. It does have a detachable shower head, but this is something that I changed because the water has a lot of chlorine in it here in Japan, so I got a filter for my shower head and the kitchen sink. So I only get water from the kitchen sink. This sink does not have a filter on it, so I only use it to like wash my hands and brush my teeth. But like to actually get drinking water, I go ahead and get it from the kitchen sink because that has the extra filter on it. This little shelving I added from someone who was moving out of the apartment, and this is what it looks like overall. Also, the lighting in here is really good, so that's something that I do like about it. It is a little bit scary moving to a foreign country by yourself, but I am so thankful that I'm able to share my journey with you guys, so thank you so much for being here. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure to do that down below, or if you're just here for this specific video, that's cool too. I'm just so happy and so thankful that you're here with me right now. I hope you all have a magical night, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye!